Cooking frozen chicken wings. Yes, you can.
Hello there! In today's video, we're going to discuss a question that many cooking enthusiasts ask: can I bake frozen chicken wings without thawing them first? Well, the short answer is yes, you absolutely can. But there are a few things you need to be aware of to ensure your chicken wings are both delicious and safe to eat.
Why bake frozen chicken wings?
Sometimes, you might forget to thaw your chicken wings, or maybe you're just in a hurry. In such cases, knowing that you can safely and effectively bake your chicken wings straight from the freezer can be a real game changer. The key is adjusting your cooking time and temperature properly.
How to bake frozen chicken wings.
When baking frozen chicken wings, you want to start at a lower temperature to ensure the inside of the wing gets fully cooked without burning the outside. Here's a simple step-by-step process. 1. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. 2. Arrange the frozen wings on a baking sheet lined with aluminum foil. 3. Bake the wings at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. 4. After the first 30 minutes, increase the oven temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 205 degrees Celsius, and bake for another 20 to 30 minutes. This step will help the wings to brown and become crispy. 5. Check the internal temperature of the wings. They're done when they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, on a meat thermometer. Remember, these are general guidelines. Cooking times can vary based on wing size and your specific oven.
Are there any drawbacks?
While baking frozen wings is convenient, there may be a few minor drawbacks. For instance, frozen wings may not absorb marinade as well as thawed ones, which could affect the flavor. However, this can be mitigated by adding a flavorful sauce after they're cooked. In conclusion, you can indeed bake frozen chicken wings without thawing them first. This can be a great time saver, and as long as you follow the right process, you'll still end up with delicious, safe-to-eat wings. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful. Enjoy your cooking adventures.